Welcome everyone. This video is on CBSE English for the students of class 12. In this video, question answers of the topic third level are discussed. As per CBSE specification, three categories of questions will be there in the final exam, and the categories are extract based questions carrying 1 mark each, short questions for 2 marks each, and long questions, value based questions for 5 marks each. Here is extract based question number 1, and this extract is followed by 4 short questions. Questions are answered with their value points. The extract is the first level where you take trains like the 20th century, then the second level where the suburban trains leave from. This is the extract. This extract is followed by 4 short questions. Question number 1 is what is meant by the levels? Question number 2, how do you identify the first level? Question number 3, what is said about the third level? Next question, what is the controversy on third level? Let us try to answer the questions one after the other with their value points. Here is question number 1. What is meant by the levels? It is a sort of railway platform in American parlance. Americans believe that there are only 2 levels. This is second value point. Third value point is third level was controversial, having no existence. Question number 2. How is the first level identified? First level is a part of New York Central Railway. Long distance trains move from this first level, and first level has its definite existence. It is agreed upon by American authorities. Question number 3. What is said about the third level? About the third level, it is said railway authorities of America, they do not believe in the existence of this third level, but Charlie believes because he had been to third level, he had his personal experience. That is why there was the controversy on this. Next question, question number 4. What is the controversy on third level? It is regarding the existence of third level. Whether third level exists or does not exist, on that there is the controversy. Railway authorities believe that third level does not exist. Charlie believes that third level exists. On the point of this existence, there is the controversy. Come to extract number 2. On the basis of this extract, 4 questions are there to be answered. Extract is, it was a waking dream, wish fulfillment. Following this one line extract, here are 4 questions. Who says this and why? Question number 2. What does it mean? Waking dream, wish fulfillment. On this, what link has it got with modern man? And question number 4 is, was it true of Charlie? Who says this statement and why? This statement is made by Sam, Charlie's friend. Sam tries to explain the psychological situation of Charlie, and that is why he says this. Charlie believes that third level exists, and to contradict this, Sam is passing on this sort of statement. Come to question number 2. What does it mean? This statement has a meaning. What is the meaning? Literally, it means fantasizing, and it is an allusion to Charlie's situation. Question number 3. What link has it got with the modern men? Modern men are usually pressed by tension and stress. They want to escape from the reality, and fantasizing therefore is a natural way. These are the 3 value points. Come to the next question. Was it true of Charlie? No. Third level was not a dream for Charlie. It was a reality. He visited this place. Sam also was into third level. So Charlie was a normal man like his grandfather. The initial contradiction, the initial logic that third level was not existing, that logic was nullified at the end, and everyone believed Charlie. Here are some short questions. 5 short questions are there to be answered. Short question number 1. What was Sam's initial opinion on Charlie? Question number 2. How did Charlie reach third level? Question number 3. What is the first day cover? Question number 4. What is waking dream, wish fulfillment? Question 5. Was the ending of the story surprising? Come to question number 1. What was Sam's initial opinion of Charlie? Sam's initial opinion was Charlie was a daydreamer. He was trying to escape the reality. Third level was not existing. It was existing in the fantasy of Charlie. Charlie was trying to escape the reality because he was into philately, stamp collection. That is why he was trying to escape. So Charlie had an imbalanced personality. That was the initial perception of Sam. Come to question number 2. How did Charlie reach the third level? Charlie crossed first and second levels. Then he entered into one semicircular way and got lost. Finally, he discovered himself at the third level. Third level was one old-fashioned place. These are the value points to be expanded into the body of the answer. Question number 3. What is the first day cover? First day cover is an envelope with a new stamp. And this first day cover is collected on the stamp sale date. This first day cover is sent by the stamp collector to himself in his own address. The postmark on his envelope marks the date. This is first day cover. What is waking dream wish fulfillment? It is sort of daydreaming. People take to daydreaming to escape the harsh reality of the modern time. And they want to go for this waking dream wish fulfillment for self-satisfaction. Question number 5. Was the ending of the story surprising? If so, why? Yes. Ending of the story had a surprising element. The controversy that existed with third level existence that was solved finally. Charlie was taken up as a person of negative individuality. But at the end it was proved that Charlie was a normal human being. The theory of Sam on Charlie, and that was nullified. Come to the long questions. Here are 2 long questions with their value points. Long question number 1. Modern world is full of insecurities, fear and tension. What are the ways to overcome them? Question number 2. Charlie, the escapist, is finally accepted as a rationalist. Discuss the question in the light of the lesson. Question number 1. Modern world is full of fear, insecurity and tension. What are the ways to overcome them? As pointed out by Sam, there are 2 ways. One, fantasizing, by taking to imagination, by taking to certain hobbies like philately. These are the two ways to overcome tension and insecurity by the modern man. Question number 2. Charlie was the escapist initially, and finally he is treated as a rationalist. Discuss this in the light of the lesson. Charlie was first treated as a daydreamer, and on third level he was having his personal experience, but people didn't believe him. At the third level he wanted to buy 2 tickets. That was also a reality. Tickets he was not able to purchase because of the modern currency he was having. The old primitive currency he didn't have. Another proof Charlie got was the first day cover sent by Sam. Initially the impression was third level was not existing, but at the end it is proved that third level was existing. With the proof that third level was existing, Charlie was proved to be a rationalist. Thank you for watching.